So my cute Bonnie is right here. I thought this would be a good time to get a video of her. Start moving. Hi, Bonnie. Look at her. Hi, Bonnie. Let me put this light on so you can see her better. There you go. Hi, Bonnie. Yeah. She's had a rough day today. She's been outside for probably 2 hours. And she was running a lot. I was playing with her a lot. That was in the middle of the day because I have school and I'm studying. So, yes. Look at you. Like and subscribe, guys. And by the way, in the comments, do hashtag BonnieCuteness. Yeah, she's just gonna want to relax. So, thank you guys. She's still a puppy and she's never gonna grow, and I'm happy. I don't know how that is a good ending, but take 43. You can't see. Yeah, it's blurry, but you can't see that. You can see it. So, Bonnie, say bye to the camera. Bye. Okay, I think she's saying bye. So that means bye to you guys and see you in the next video.